I cannot believe how tasty this pizza is.
What? It's freaking delicious! I can't believe I'm eating Caesar salad pizza.
I cannot believe how tasty this pizza is. It's incredible. Maria ranks it at the top of the charts. You gotta try this. It's incredible. You know, I've always said less is more. It doesn't take much on a pizza crust to get you a delicious tasting pizza. This is a very delicious pizza. You've gotta try it. Give it a try. Enjoy. I just did a video of my Caesar salad. I enjoyed Caesar salad, so I just did a Caesar salad video. So, of course, during making that video, I'm like, I gotta make a Caesar salad pizza. So, how do I put it together? So, it's basically Parmesan, bacon, cream sauce. What I'm going to do is put the Caesar sauce down, quite a bit of it. I'm going to put quite a bit of bacon on. Put mozzarella on top, not too much. I don't like Parmesan on a pizza, doesn't do very well, but I'm going to put Parmesan on it when it comes out of the oven. I'm going to put some black pepper on it now. I got oven's a little bit hot. Somewhat round. Oh boy. Pizza's in. I got a little bit of sauce on the one side. We'll see if it sticks. But so far so good. So I got a little bit of Caesar salad left. What I'm going to do I'm going to cut it into smaller chunks. I'm going to put it on top, and I'm going to put some Parmesan on top. Look at this thing. Just absolutely blowing up. Gotta love it. 9-day-old pizza dough. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that bubbly, juicy bacon. Look at that. It just, everything was going good, and then pizza was going good, and then it just almost went to incineration. It was just incredible. I guess the grease from the bacon just finally got hot enough, and it was done. So I've got the pizza. It's cooled down for a few seconds. I'm just gonna put this on around. Now, I'm not a big fan of putting lettuce and stuff on, but I find myself doing it a lot lately. People seem to like it. pizza's still hot enough, it'll melt the Parmesan. Parmesan's melting. Parmesan's melting. There you go, guys. That's a pretty good looking pizza. That's a pretty good looking pizza. There you go. Caesar salad pizza. Gonna go serve it to Maria, see what she thinks. Get her review on it.
Here we go.
Yep.
Oh my God. Hold on a second. It's freaking delicious!
Is it?
It's so good. I'm not making that up. Wow. Ooh, that's good, Alan. Honestly, that's really good. Even with like the lettuce, it's romaine lettuce, so it's a little thicker than the regular iceberg.
Yeah.
That's very nice. I can't believe it. Caesar pizza. Let me have another bite.
You see what
brincadeira. É como um look, eu pôr uma salada. Isto é uma salada em cima da pizza. Tá bom. Wow. I'm telling you. This one here.
Yeah.
You hear me, Anthony? This one knocks Burger King and McDonald's out of the park.
Really?
Yep. Wow.
There we go.
Now,
Maria's-
did you use Renee?
Absolutely.
Well, there's the secret right there.
Well, you can't give away the secrets.
Renee.
Okay, that's it. So Maria gives it
Oh my God.
all
And,
thumbs up.
and this crust,
That crust is from 9-day-old
that's so good.
dough. So Maria likes it better than the Burger King
I'm
or
not
the Big
kidding
Mac. So
I'm shocked.
top of the charts. We'll have to do that one again.
I am shocked.
Cannot believe how delicious this pizza is. Maria likes this one better than the Big Mac pizza or the Burger King pizza. I have to say, I was shocked. This is so delicious. The taste combination is just out of this world. You gotta try it. I cannot get over just how delicious this pizza was. I have a link to my Caesar salad video in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, click the notification bell. Please share this video with your friends. This is a good one. Thank you very much.